Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today, I'll be teaching you on how to add PayPal to your Shopify store. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go open your web browser and then log into your Shopify store. So here is my store. So when you go ahead and click on this one, you'll be able to choose your store. Now let's proceed to adding your PayPal to your store. So here at the left side, you can see the settings. So we just click on it. And then here you can see the payments. So all you have to do is to click on the payments. Now that you're here, you'd be able to see the supported payment methods as well as the payment providers. Now right here, let's click on the add payment method. Okay, this one, and you'd be redirected to this page. Now you can use the search bar to search for the payment method that you want. So let's try to type out PayPal right here, and we would be redirected to this page. Now here you just have to go ahead and read the privacy terms and conditions. So you just have to click on the agree and connect. After that, you just have to click on the go back to Shopify since we're done signing up for an account. And right here, you can choose any of these options and then click on the next button. And right here, you can type out anything that you want as long as you provide any words in this box right here. So you will then just have to click on next to proceed. And right here, you can see this feedback will help us to make improvements to your experience. So if you need help with an issue, please contact the customer service. If you need more help, you can do contact the customer service. And now that we're done signing up, let's go back here and then try to refresh the page, and then we'll be able to see that our PayPal account has been added to our Shopify store. Make sure that you have a PayPal business account in order to connect it to your Shopify store. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios!